In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money through Instagram posts. You can get paid to post on Instagram, and I'm not talking about becoming monetized through the platform. What I'm talking about is promoting an offer that pays you a reoccurring monthly commission. And a lot of people are wasting their time when they post on Instagram because they don't have the right offer. They might be promoting an affiliate offer that doesn't pay reoccurring commissions or doesn't pay out a high enough amount to be relevant. And some people, for whatever reason, they struggle through Instagram, whether it's to make the right post in the right format or their account isn't set up correctly. And I'm going to address all of that in this video. This will be the best video you've ever seen on Instagram marketing and how to make money through Instagram. So stick with me. And let's start with promoting the right offer. And I'll talk more about that as this video goes on. But basically, you want to promote a product. Everyone's posting on Instagram to make money. Everyone. Every creator that you see is making money through the platform, whether they have their own product or they're promoting someone else's product. But what you want is something that's either high ticket enough to, really make you a substantial amount of income or a reoccurring payment. And passive income is absolutely possible through Instagram. And I'll talk about that more in a bit, but you can absolutely schedule things and make it completely passive. So let's move on to, the format of what you want to be posting. So it's actually very simple. You just kind of look at what's already succeeding through Instagram. But with the recent algorithm updates, what I want you to think about is how Instagram is pairing your content with the right people. So it's really trying to find out now who, how to show the right content to the right people. And it's not based on followers or anything like that. They're really kind of matching you with their algorithm. So being on camera, talking does help, match the right person. But the posts where you just put, words on the screen, those also work as well. But what I'm getting at is you want to find posts that have already done well and basically just copy them. It is kind of that simple. It's basic, pattern recognition. You just look at other successful accounts and what they're doing and you try to do more or less what they're doing. Moving on. A lot of people struggle because their account isn't set up correctly. And this was me for a very long time. I didn't really understand why my account wasn't doing well, why I wasn't getting the results I wanted. And the more I learned from other people, the smarter I got, the more I recognized that it's the account setup that matters to Instagram, because basically they are protecting against bots. They're protecting against spam accounts. So the way you set up the account matters a lot. And what I mean by that is they're tracking the email and phone number that you're using to sign up with the account. All right. So when you first sign up, basically what has to happen is you need to have an aged Gmail. Okay. Preferably, I don't know how aged, whether it's 2 weeks, 6 months. You want it as old as you can get it. All right. And if you have one, great, use it. If don't, use someone else's. All right. But you sign up through a Gmail. And then you also want to use your phone number for verification, add the phone number to the account, and then add two-factor authentication, add a profile picture, add a bio. Look as real as possible. Okay. It's very simple. You just want to look like a real person and recognize that Instagram is deeming your account high trust or low trust and will throttle your reach as such based on if it thinks you're human or not. Okay. So from there, once you have your account set up correctly with an aged Gmail, with phone number, with two-factor authentication on, you also want to create a business profile, a professional profile, creator profile. That way you can see all your stats. And from there, you want to warm up the account a little bit, watch content in the niche. This is a make money online niche. You want to, watch content in your niche. Number one, to kind of train the algorithm a little bit, but also to get video ideas. Okay. From there, you want to kind of comment and follow those pages. And then you're ready to start posting with the content format. So The content format I was referring to earlier is basically just a video of really anything, but you just put words on the screen. So you upload a 5 to 7 second video, you got words on the screen, and then you also want a nice long caption with a call to action at the end. What this does is basically the video is looping in the background while people are reading the text and reading the caption, and then the caption prompts them to leave a comment. And what you do is you set up an automation through ManyChat, ManyChat, to then respond to those comments and DM them the link to whatever you're promoting. All right. I'm giving you all the sauce in this video. Like, I wish someone had told me this years ago. But once you have your automation set up, from there, you can actually automate your posting through Recur Post, platform called Recur Post. Basically, you just upload a library of content, all the videos, all the captions you want. And what'll happen is, let's say you upload 20 videos and you're posting 3 times a day, as you should be. Once those 20 videos are posted, that library will start over again, and it'll post the same 20 videos again. And Instagram doesn't really care about this. They like when you repost the same video, because if it did well the first time, they're going to show it again the second time. Their only goal is to keep people on the platform so that they can continue to show ads to people and make money that way. Okay. So understand you're always working against or with an algorithm, and you have to play to its strengths. Okay. So the algorithm prioritizes watch time and engagement, specifically shares and saves. And then also comments, right? The comments, kind of get people to stay on the video longer, by default. So you can ask them questions, things like that. But the strategy isn't actually that important. You can just talk on the screen, just like I am right now, talk in the video, or you can react to other videos. So those are the 3 formats. You basically 5 to 7 seconds with a text on the screen, a reaction video, and a yapping video, what people call now, where you basically just talk to the camera and say what you want to say. I do recommend putting captions on the screen if you do that. But honestly, the most important piece is the setup of the account. Okay. If you don't have an aged Gmail to sign up with, you're not going to get views. Either your videos get 0 views, or they'll be kind of stuck just being shown to a very small test audience. Every short form video is shown to a small test audience. And based on how that audience responds, the algorithm decides to push it to more people or not. So basically what's happening is, when your account is a low trust account, it's not going to show it to very many people, and the chances of it expanding to more people are much less than if you have a high trust account and you have a much bigger test audience. Hopefully that makes sense. And then from there, if you stay with me this long, remember to subscribe to the channel, comment below your goals for the year, whatever you want to make this year. It's absolutely possible. And here I'm going to share with you the most important piece, which is the product that you promote. And what I suggest you promote is my school group. It's free to sign up, but when you refer other people to the group, you earn $25 a month for every member that stays on that you refer. All right. And I just told you how to refer people through Instagram. So basically, you join the group and you refer other people to the group, and then you make money that way. So you can literally get paid to post on Instagram. All right. You'll find the link in the comment section below and the description. And I'll catch you next time. If you want to see more videos on how to destroy the Instagram algorithm, click here.